Good morning. So to start out the day, you are on your own while we take attendance and check off assignments. The first thing you need to do is pull up your schedule. And you're going to look for your daily check-in, your weather graph, and your data entry. Don't go past that part of your schedule. While you're working on your assignments, make sure you mute your video and use the chat. Everyone's working, so we need to try to limit the chatter as best we can. The first item on the agenda is your daily check-in. So click on the image Daily Check-in right there on your schedule. It will open you up to a document that has a link. You'll see right there it says Math Daily Check-in. Once you open up that link, it takes you straight to your assignment where you answer 2 questions. Your name in the drop-down box, and you tell me how you'll feel. The next item on your schedule is your weather graph. So you're going to click on the image of the weather graph, and it's going to take you straight to your weather graph. Make sure that you have found the correct month, the correct day, and the correct date. Once you do that, you're going to drag over the correct weather icon that represents the weather outside and place it on the correct date. The last thing you're going to do on your own is your data entry. Click on the image on your schedule, data entry. You'll come to your assignment. Remember, there is a lot of helpful information if you're not sure what to do. Each one of these blue items is a link, and each one of these attachments are links. You're going to need to use the PDFs to give you the information of the data that you're actually going to be putting into your assignment. This right here is your actual assignment that you will be opening. So you're going to open up your green assignment, and then the information on the PDF papers you're going to type right into your Excel sheet. Remember, we have spaced everything out by weeks. You can go ahead as far as completing Monday through Friday for the entire week, but stop there and don't go any further so we make sure that you're on target and doing the data entry correctly. After you're done with that, you just need to wait for our CAMI assignment because we'll do that as a group. Some students who have finished their CAMI assignments just can follow along, and for those students that want something a little bit more challenging, there's multiplication and division CAMI assignments you could do on your own. They're located in the folder that has optional additional assignments. All right. So get going on your work, and we'll be right with you as soon as we're finished checking things off and taking attendance.